Me running. Yeah! Hell yeah! Hell yeah!
There we go! That's it!
All right, guys, we are back at the racetrack. Last time you heard from us, we were taking apart the motor that we lost the first time around, and before that, you saw our last track day where we lost the transmission. We have gone through the car, we have made a few updates. We obviously put a new transmission in the car. We've looked over the new motor, everything seems to be doing good. A few other small updates to the car. We have some testing of an ignition cut for shifting, for flat foot shifting stuff that one of our guys here has developed utilizing AEM hardware that we're using. Other than that, once again, no major changes to the car. We're just excited to get back out here, get some more seat time and see what we can do.
We'll see what happens. I think today's gonna be a good day. I think it's all the right mixtures for a good pass. It's pretty, air's pretty cool and no humidity or anything like that, so pretty amped. Sun's in my eyes. I don't have any sunglasses, so that's not gonna be cool. This happens every time.
88, 89. Something came loose on the bottom.
I think I had like a different bolt in a different spot. I think I just needed to move it. I think it pulled past the ones that were here. Didn't have as much. Like they were covering it, but they didn't have like the face of it wasn't as much.
Oh, it didn't have as much of a flange.
So I think it pulled through because it like popped the whole center.
I was saying though, it looked. I mean, it just became a giant scoop underneath.
Yeah. But short of that, I think.
Back together.
We're good. All right. Carcass outside. 105. Tire pressure's at 9. Something.
What in the f just happened? 10 something 6.
10.96.
10.96. God f***ing damn it.
Woo!
Woo!
Pass.
All right.
Second pass.
All right. All right.
We're in the 10s.
Yeah. We're almost there. We got some more to go.
He held it straight too. I could see him correcting it. He's got it. Proud of that little man.
That was a 1.728 too.
So it's like what? Is it about 60 foot for the car?
I don't think so.
Close? It's got to be close.
It's damn close.
10.96.
It felt really good fast.
It looks 128.
So second run, we just did a 10.961, which is the fastest the car's ever gone. The fastest run that we've seen is a 10.85. I think it was at I want to say it was at 131. I could be off on that though. Honestly, as far as I know, this is the first and only stock motor car in the 10s. We still have some power on the table. I want to say we were at mid to high 30s for boost pressure. We've taken this car into the mid to low 40s many times. So we're going to turn it up a little bit and we're going to see what happens.
It's almost bottomed out.
Okay.
Like, almost.
Ideally, like in the perfect world, what we would do is within the next 2 runs, we would just hit the goal And then the rest of the day, then it's just trying new stuff all day. Then we're messing with, we can see where the improvements come there. If we get the record and the motor's still alive, then I'll let you drive the car.
Let me drive the boat.
But you didn't bring your helmet.
Use yours or Brian's.
You ain't putting my helmet on unless we absolutely have to. Nobody wears my helmet. Eleven 1-2. 11:02. So do you want to let it cool down or do you want to do another run?
Let it cool down a little bit.
All right. One of our best runs every time we were a personal best. This is the first time that we've done a personal best on this setup on anything other than 8 PSI. So yeah, we can do 8.5 and then we can go from there. We are 0.01 seconds off of the current record. I wonder what happened there.
It just cut out, like, completely.
Huh. That's odd.
Yeah.
Either the motor's not happy or
it's just being a silly goose. Please be being a silly goose. What's up, you silly goose? Oh!
I think we figured it out, Brian.
Figured it out.
What was it?
Intercooler pipe.
Ow, it's hot!
That was really stupid of you. It definitely lurched into second. It spun going into second.
Yeah.
Which it hasn't done much before.
Could we do remove those 3 clicks from the shocks? Yeah. And then maybe just a small little turn on the boost controller.
Alright, I'm gonna bottom out the boost controller.
Okay, and miles per hour on?
101.84 at the 8th, 845 at the 330. I mean, in all honesty, it looks like it's before the 8th. I mean, before the 8th is where we need to get it, and if we get that, then we're done. And we're not done, but we're there. Me running. Yeah! Hell yeah! Hell yeah!
There we go! That's it!
What was it? 1080 at 131.5?
That's what I'm talking about. 1080.
F me, man. Woo! Woo! Oh god, that feels so good.
Dude, as soon as he clicked
That was
second
it.
going
I
past
know.
me,
That was
I
just
heard
it.
the tires. I heard the tires tearing, and I was like, "Yep, that's it. That's moving."
1080. 1080. 131. Now we gotta get a 10.7. That 1080.
Dude, that felt really good.
That
it was
was
that
it.
final click of the boost controller.
I buried it.
So you were slow off the line.
Like the first 5 feet.
First 2 feet even.
Well, I felt like I pre-loaded it up. Like I leaned on the
handbrake?
brake more.
Yeah.
Before actually releasing the rear brake.
Yep.
Um,
Honestly, this thing has a 10.7 in it. I mean, that 60 foot was off.
do some driving? I am pretty close. Give me some water.
Hell yeah. All right, so it is the end of the day. We came out here. We had made some small changes to the car, nothing drastic. We were just hoping for things to get better. That's kind of, the loftier we set the goals, the kind of harder it is to reach, the harder it is to stay focused on it. So every time we come back, we just want the car to be better than it was last time. When we were here last time, obviously we lost transmission. That's not exciting, that isn't better, that doesn't really take us anywhere. This time we came out here with the change we made to the car, it progressively from the first time off the trailer until the end of the day, we actually saw a very big jump. So we came out here, the record was a 10.85. We were able to do a 10.80 at 131. The guys did a great job today. We were rolling around, making changes all day. We've been so close to this a couple times now that to actually get it is incredibly exciting. And it's a killer day and I'm excited for everybody here.
Pretty good to be me today. Didn't break anything, so I didn't really have to work on the car too much. I got to drive it. Went 10.9, that's my PB in the quarter. Good day.
This doesn't mean we're stopping with the car. In fact, now that we've got this goal and did it with the stock motor like we wanted to, it opens up a lot more stuff for us. I'm excited kind of what's next. We're gonna go home, we're gonna talk about the plans, we're gonna figure out what we can do next and go from there.